In this video, we're going to have a look at finding the area of a compound shape. Now, to find the area, we need to split this shape into more recognisable shapes that we can find the area of. So this shape can actually be split into two rectangles. And I can split this in two ways, but I'm going to choose to split it along horizontally here. So we have a rectangle at the top and a rectangle at the bottom. Now, the formula for the area of a rectangle is base times height. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to label my rectangles 1 and 2. So I'm going to start with rectangle 1. So looking at my diagram, I can see that the base is 10 and the height is 5. So if I substitute those numbers into my formula, I'm going to get that the area is equal to 10 times by 5, and this is equal to 50. And my units will be squared units, so it will be centimetres squared. Now let's move on to rectangle 2. Now this is a little bit more difficult because I've got my length here of 4, but I don't actually have a height for my rectangle, so I need to calculate this using the other lengths in the shape. Now what I can see is that the whole height of the shape is 9 centimetres. And over here, we've got this length here is 5 centimetres. So the length that I'm trying to work out is the gap between those two. So if I do 9, take away 5, it will tell me that this is a height of 4 centimetres. And now I've got the two lengths, so I can work out my area. So my area for shape 2 is going to be equal to 4 multiplied by 4, which is 16 centimetres squared. So now I can calculate my total area. And to find my total area, I'm going to add my two separate areas together. So I'm going to add my 50 and my 16. And this is going to give me 66 centimetres squared for my total area.